The Chef's Path? The Aprilhp? Or the Housewares? Perhaps the Viretec or the Letusto? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top rice storage containers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 rice storage containers. The 5th product on this list is the Viretec Rice Airtight Dispenser. All grains are best kept in airtight storage containers if you intend to store them for a long time. With rice, it is essential as it tends to absorb moisture from the air very quickly. In our search to find the ideal storage container, we have come across various brands that didn't meet up to expectations, but also came across those that served their purpose well. The Viretec Rice Airtight Dispenser falls under the latter. It made it to our top 5 list for many reasons. Firstly, although we call it a rice storage container, it provides more function than that because you can store at least 3 pounds of any dry food in it. The high-quality plastic material used in making both the container and cover enhances its durability, and it's free from toxins so that the rice or any dry food you store in it will remain in great condition irrespective of how long it stays in there. In addition, the plastic is commendably resistant to heat and dishwasher safe. Next, we liked how easy this container made it to organize our pantry. And because it has a transparent design, you get to find your food item easily without opening the lid. Looking at the lid, you will see that it has a 4-side locking design with 2 silicone seal rings that ensure the container remains airtight. Plus, you don't have to open the main lid to pour out the portion of food you want to take from the container, thanks to the pouring spout on the lid top. We particularly liked the measuring cup that came with this rice storage container, and this is because it makes it easy to measure your dry foods and get the accurate quantity anytime. Plus, it serves as the cover lid for the pouring spout. Lastly, we also liked the ergonomic handle for convenient carrying. Its pros are: the food-grade plastic is heat-resistant and dishwasher safe, it has a slim, compact, and space-saving design, and the airtight design protects your food from moisture and pests. However, the side locks on the lid are difficult to shut in place. The Viretec Rice Airtight Dispenser is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their pantry in order while keeping their dry foods fresh. Up next in 4th place is the Aroma Housewares Rice Dispenser. This unit offers more storage space than the Viretec with its 27-pound storage capacity. Its large size and thoughtful design do not require you to pour your rice or whatever dry food you store in it over a pour spout or its lid. Instead, it has an automatic dispenser that releases 1 cup of rice into the tray drawer when you press the lever. Despite its large storage capacity, this rice dispenser doesn't take much space on your countertop or in your pantry. Plus, it makes it easy to organize your dry foods in an airtight container. Even better, this rice storage container remains airtight because of the auto-dispensing design. You don't have to open the lid to access your food unless you want to refill the container. Plus, you can see the quantity of rice in the container through the transparent window with measurement lines. Lastly, this rice storage bin is designed with hidden wheels, so you can easily roll it across your countertop when needed. Its pros are: it has a huge storage capacity, it has an auto-measuring and dispensing system, and the plastic material construction is very durable. However, at nearly 18 inches tall, they may not fit on counters that have cabinets on top of them. The Aroma Housewares Rice Dispenser is recommended for those who want a high-capacity rice storage container with an auto-dispensing design for daily use. Still haven't found a rice storage container that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Letusto Rice Dispenser. Design-wise, the Letusto Rice Dispenser resembles the Aroma Housewares Rice Dispenser, but can hold up to 26 pounds of rice. It has a free-flowing design that dispenses rice with the touch of a button. And this is convenient because you can get the right measurement of rice you want since the collecting tray has measuring marks on it. In addition, the dispensing design ensures that you get the old rice first so that it doesn't become stale or mix with the new one as you refill the container. The 4 main parts of this dispenser, the lid, rice container, rice drop section, and rice bucket, are removable and easy to clean. Its lid makes it safe to store your rice without the fear of pantry pests infesting it. However, we noticed that there is no silicone seal on the lid to keep it airtight, and as such, opening it often may introduce moisture into the rice over time. So the best way to use this rice storage container is to fill it up with rice dispense the quantity you want to cook using the lever, and when the rice inside the container finishes, wash it and allow it to air dry before refilling it. We like that the rice drop section automatically closes to prevent the rice grains from falling out when you take out the rice bucket. To continue, it's easy to know the quantity of rice left in the container through the view window without opening the lid. Whether you decide to store this container in your pantry or on your kitchen countertop, the slim and tall design won't take up much space. Its pros are, it is BPA-free so the plastic won't leach chemicals into your food, it has a maximum storage capacity of 26 pounds, and it has a one-touch button operation with a free-flowing dispensing design. However, the rice bucket does not have a handle, which can make it a bit trickier to dispense into a pot. The Letusto rice dispenser is perfect for those who eat rice at least once a week and want a storage container that can easily keep up with demand and save them time in the kitchen. The second product on this list is the Chef's Path Rice Storage Dispenser. This unit comes as a set of 2 storage containers that can hold up to 25 pounds of grain in total. We like that the Chef's Path Rice Storage Dispenser isn't limited to storing grains, but is usable for flour, dry goods, and baking supplies. The containers have a transparent design that gives you a clear view of their content without opening their lids to check. The purpose of storing grains and dry foods in containers like this is to keep them from dust, moisture, and pests. Thankfully, this unit does not fail in that aspect. Its containers both have side-locking lids with silicone seals that keeps them airtight and leak-proof, so that even if they fall, their contents will not spill. Apart from the plastic material being BPA-free, cleaning these rice storage containers is a breeze, as you can simply throw them in your dishwasher. For storage, you can simply place them independently on your shelf or kitchen countertop. But if you are trying to save space, you can easily stack them on top of each other and fit them in cabinets, refrigerators, or on kitchen countertops. Despite the visibility, these storage containers come with a chalkboard marker and reusable labels. Plus, you also get a free measuring cup for your convenience. Its pros are, they have secure silicone lid seals keeping them airtight and are leak-free, they are lightweight to handle, and they are resistant to staining and straightforward to clean. However, there is no dispensing option, so you have to remove the whole lid to get a cup of rice. The Chef's Path Rice Storage Dispenser is for cooks that need plenty of storage for their rice, dry ingredients, and baking supplies. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top rice storage container is the Aprilhp. This product has a unique style and a stylish design, unlike the others we discussed. It is a nice glass rice container with a wooden cover and stands that sits pretty on your countertop. Rather than plastic, the storage container and measuring cup are made of glass, while the lid and stand are made of a natural bamboo. When buying storage containers, it only makes sense that you think about how much space you can spare in your kitchen or pantry for the container. Since the Aprilhp rice dispenser isn't as large as most of the rice storage containers we discussed, you can store it conveniently without it taking up much space. That doesn't mean you lose out on capacity though. There are 2 sizes available, 1.3 and 2.1 gallons, so you still will be able to store around 20 pounds of rice without an issue. What's more, the lid has a silicone seal to hold it tight and a stainless steel handle for quick and easy removal when necessary. To keep your food fresh, the container has a dispenser valve on the bottom, through which you can collect rice into the measuring cup by opening the valve. This manual design is very reliable and gives you quite a lot of control over the flow, which is perfect when you're trying to measure out a specific amount of rice for a recipe. Overall, this is a very high quality unit with a good capacity and a practical function. It is sure to be an asset to any kitchen. Its pros are, the lid is well sealed to make it both moisture and pest proof, it has a minimalist yet stylish glass and wood design, it is easy to clean and fill, and it has a very reliable manual valve for dispensing rice. However, the measuring cup it comes with does not line up exactly with US standard measurements, as it is made for Japanese and Korean markets. The Aprilhp rice dispenser is a brilliantly designed product and ideal for those who want a functional and high-quality glass rice storage container for their home kitchen. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.